Hello and welcome to another Kitty Code Ninja tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to create an abstract art in Scratch. I'm going to show you a demo. You can create an artistic work like this in just a few minutes. Stick around. Welcome to Kitty Code Ninja tutorial. This is Ellie and this is your place to learn to code and have fun. I'm going to call it abstract art. Oops. Okay, goodbye sprite. And then I need 3 dots that I'm gonna draw it. So what I do is I take this and I'm gonna zoom and I'm drawing a little circle here. And then let's go to the code. I'm gonna name it .1. What I wanted to do is to move around the scene. So the way I write this code is when start clicked, I would say move 10 steps. And I'm going to put it in a forever loop because I want repetitive actions, repetitive movements. So when start clicked, I want it to move 10 steps. Before move, it should look at some direction. So I say point in direction, not 90, but I'm going to take a random number so that every time it goes to a different points to a different direction and moves to a different direction. Okay, move 10 steps forever, and I want it to bounce back when it's hitting the wall. So currently when it goes to the wall, it doesn't bounce back. So let's go to motion again and bounce back. If on edge, bounce. So something like this would be created, and then I want 3 or some more of this, like 3, 4. So I'm gonna duplicate it 2 more times. So I get an effect like this for now. But then if you remember the demo that I showed, there were some lines being drawn in between. So in order to make that, I'm gonna get one more duplicate, but this time I don't want this code, so I'm deleting this. So other dots have the code in it, but this one, for the last one, I'm gonna write a different code. Then I'm gonna name this one a drawing, or just let's name it a pen. So I'm gonna I'm gonna name this pen, and in order to distinguish it, I'm going back to the paint. I'm going back to the pen custom, and I want to change the color to something different here so that I can differentiate this one from the other 2 that have a different purpose. Now my goal is I want my pen to go to .1 and then draw a line from .1 to .2 and then draw a line from .2 to .3 and repeat it for so many times. So the way I do it is first I need to bring in the pen extension so that I get this beautiful useful codes and blocks of codes. So let's write the code for this one. Again, when start clicked, so I said firstly I wanted to go to .1, assuming this one is actually .1. So I wanted to go to .1. So I would say go to .1, and then I want to put down the pen. There is a code here which is pen down. Now I want to, so now I'm here and then pen is down. So if I go here, I'm drawing a line. So now I go to .2. So go to .2 and go to .3. Let's see what you're doing. Okay, now I drew only 2 lines, but I want more lines. And also when I'm done, I want the pen up. So I'm gonna say pen up as well. And now I need a forever loop. Or I can do forever, or I can do maybe repeat many times. Like, let's say 300 times. Start, and you see very easily this beautiful pattern is made. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please press like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will see when I upload a new video.